Good morning. Video message for Tim. Hi Tim, thanks for buying the little Ryobi garden saw. It's a bit of a deja vu moment. I just videoed this a minute ago and then the camera wasn't even on, so she's been started now. I was going to show you from cold, but the instructions on the back for starting the saw, priming, are really very good. And I also found for her the copy of the original owner's or operator's manual for her, so I'll include that in the box as well. I'll show her running one last time before I box her up. I doubt she's going to need priming now. Kill switch. Tim, I hope she serves you well, and I'm so pleased she's going to be getting some more service again. And I hope we have more deals in the future. Bye for now, sir.